In this video, we are going to see a complete treatment on how we can deal with the bad debts in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 17th of January, which says Mr. Walter didn't pay the due amount, thus treated as bad debts. And the total amount of Mr. Walter is 17,800. Now, first of all, let's see, according to our project, what is this amount made up of? So Mr. Walter had some opening balances of 15,000, and during the period, we have also made some additional sales beyond the opening balance, which is credit sales, and the total amount is 2,800. So 15,000 plus 2,800 is 17,800. And now the customer went bankrupt and we are unable to receive from them. So we need to charge them as bad debts and also clear their account so that nothing is shown in the receivables. Let's see the complete proper treatment of it. First of all, let's head over to the accounting module and click on the customers and click on the credit notes. We will use credit note for it. Let's click here, click on new, and we are making the credit note against Mr. Walter. The transaction date is 17th of January. 17th of January. Due date, I'll just click on immediate payment and it's related to sales. And under here, we don't want the product to be entered. We just remove this from here and we just label it as bad debts. And account should be posted to bad debts here. If we don't have it, we need to create it. Click on search more and click on new. Remove the income from here so that we can see the proper area where we need to create one. So we have these expenses account already created. Let's say after rent, I need to post on 613. I need to create a new account, 613,000, and let's write the account name as bad debts. It goes under expenses, click save, and let's mention the total amount right here, or otherwise you can mention a simple price. I'll just disable the quantity here, 17,800. Let's mention 17,800 here. It will automatically show it in the amount total. Taxes is 0. Just go to the journal items in order to see the result. Bad debt is debit and account receivable is credit. Perfect treatment. When we click on confirm, it's now posted and you can see this above message here. You have outstanding debits listed below for this customer. So if we scroll down a little bit, you will see this outstanding debits automatically showing right here. So you can just click on add here and click on add for this one. And now click on send, or you can just hit back. And now we can see it as this entry. If we open it again, you can see that it's all being settled against the bad debts, and you can check the journal entry effect is like this. And these are all settled. This is the pending invoices. And if we go to the customers again and click on the customers and check Walter, we have total due balance as 0. So this is how we can deal with the bad debts in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.